And you know this player very, very well, the both of you, Samboy Lin. Super electrifying player for those who remember Samboy in the PBA. Coach Alan, bakit sana nakapag-MVP si Samboy?
Well, injuries. Yun ang main factor kung bakit hindi siya nakakatapos ng season because of injuries. If you can see his game, he's an impact player, yung charisma niya sa fans, even sa media. So, definitely dapat meron din siyang at least isang
sana
MVP.
Naka-isa. If he stayed healthy long enough. No,
well, even I think even as yung conference MVP, he didn't get one. I'm not so sure about that, but of course because of the number of games, a number of minutes, alam naman natin even before there's statistical points. Like what my Kuya Alan mentioned, yung impact niya, he's electrifying. The minute that he's inside, yung moves niya to the basket, he was medyo a bit apart from the rest of the players. Talagang siya yung mga death-defying drive to the basket. So that really siguro talagang factor dun kaya hindi siya nag-MVP. But it should have been. But in number of games niya, mas matagal pa yung injured siya.
Yeah. Speaking of electrifying players, Nelson Aceito, clearly one of the most electrifying players to play in the PBA. Bakit si Nelson, finished his career without an MVP award?
Kasi, alam mo, pag sa MVP kasi, hindi lang naman statistical points ang kinoconsider dyan. May media votes, mayroong players votes. And dun siya nagkulang siguro kasi twice siya na natalo. Isa against kay Alvin at isa kay Ato Agustin. And he's leading the statistical race that time, yung statistical points. So medyo dun siya nagkulang ng konti pero kung iisipin mo, kung merong pound for pound sa basketball, siya yun Talagang super lakas at super galing niya si Nelson.
Coach Franz?
Well, I think the right word is the charisma. Second, I don't think he was during that time handled by a very good PR guy or probably a sports agent. Clearly, I vividly remember against Ato, during that time Ato was my teammate, he was in the opposing team. Clearly, overall, he was the best player. But probably because of the other factors, nag-iba. And if you look at the game of Nelson, he changed the dynamic of the position of the three spot. He reinvented the position of the three spot.
Yeah. By dunking over people.
by shooting inside lahat.
He can play outside.
It's too bad. He should have at least won one MVP.
Yeah. Parang ito yung super athletic stretch big na tumi 3 points.
He reinvented the position of 3 and 4. Yes.
Yeah, and also dunking over Alvin helps in that argument also.
Yeah.
No?
Thank you for watching The Score. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports YouTube channel to be updated with the latest games.